Good morning, Group 52. In Luke chapter 19, we read the parable of the 10 talents of silver. In it, the Lord Jesus tells us, "Occupy until I return." This is the only time the word occupy is used in the New Testament. This word occupy in the Greek is pragmatuomai, and it means to do business. Group 52, do you feel like you're running a successful business for the Lord? If not, join me this Sunday, April 19th, as I preach a revelatory word that will enlighten you on the tools you have to do business. God bless you, Group 52. Prepare to occupy, do business, and have the best week of your life.